Okay, we have a very neat lace crochet stitch, and this is a multiple of 10 plus 4, and I am using the hook that the yarn calls for, and this is a G hook. So they usually say like an H, but I tried it with an H and it was a little bit too open, so I did it with a G. So I made 24 chains, which is a multiple of 10 plus 4. And now I'm on the 4th chain from the hook, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to double crochet. So that means I have these 3 chains count as 1 double crochet, and I made another one on the same spot. So now I am going to chain 1 and count 4, and on the 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, on the 5th, I am going to make 3 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and on the same spot I'm going to make 3 more double crochet. That's 1, 2, and 3, and chain 1. Now I'm going to count 4 again, and on the 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th, I'm going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and on the same spot I want to make another double crochet, chain 1. So let's make another set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th we make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet on the same spot. 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and on the last stitch, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, on the 5th, which is the last one, you do another double crochet and another. So that means you have 2 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet on the last one. After the base row, then all the other rows are the same, and what you want to do is chain 3 and turn. On the same spot you want to double crochet, chain 1, go to the middle of the shell and you do 3 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 on the same spot. Chain 1. Now you go all the way to where the V is and do a double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet, and chain 1. So we go all the way to the middle of the shell and do 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochet on the same spot. That's 1, oops, 2, and 3, and chain 1. You go all the way to the middle of the V and double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet, and chain 1. And you go all the way to the middle of the shell. I don't know what that is. So that's 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and on that last stitch, that one there, you're going to double crochet 2 double crochets. That's 1 and 2, and you repeat the same thing, and it's really easy. Like right now you're going to chain 3 and turn, and on the same stitch you're going to double crochet, and that's it. And then to finish it, what you can do is just single crochet all along, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Share us with your friends and subscribe, and we'll be having more crochet stitches soon. Thank you.